What's up, folks? I've got a Bible I want to show you guys. This is a repurposing of this cover. This cover is a calfskin, personal size quintel cover. This was a New American Standard, and you can see I've removed the New American Standard off the spine, and that's using the method with the WD-40 and Q-tip, cotton ball. If you want to know how to remove the gold stamping, I'll link the instructional tutorial I already have for that in the description, so you can check that out. All right, these calfskin personal size quintels, and even the larger quintels, they come with a paper paste down. Well, in this one, I changed the paper paste down to a green goatskin leather. It has some distressing in it. I really like this goatskin. I've done a few rebinds with this dark green, and it's really a nice color. Has a great feel and texture. And going along with the green color scheme, I have the green end sheet. You can see I made the liner longer so you can add an edge line tab there. And also I have three ribbons, three 10mm ribbons, and they barely fit in the top of the book there. But you have a black and green and a white. Now this book block is a Collins, and I reviewed this one. It's a Collins King James, and they are not easy to find. So the size of this Collins King James is just about perfect match for the PSQ. In comparison, you can see the block fits nicely into this cover. I found some gold ink. It has like a gold shimmer to the ink, and I did add that because the page edges were just brutal. It's definitely not the same as gilding, but it does add a little bit of character to the edition. Adding that leather liner really significantly improves its flexibility. So you can see here that I can fold this King James Bible any which way I'd like, and it works really well. It's really sturdy, really nice. And again, that Collins block is just really nice. It has a really clean text, really clear. The paper has a little bit of a tinge of yellow to it because it's just really old, but it's still super flexible and very readable. So this Collins text block is just really great. It has some pictures inside of it. It's just really interesting. Now when you turn to the back, you can see the back liner that I added. And again, I added the extra length for the edge line tab to go on the side of the block. And on the spine, you can see that I added this hinge. This is kind of something that I do. I like doing. It looks different, but it adds to the functionality and the flexibility. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys this little project I had worked on, removing the gold, the New American Standard gold stamping, and repurposing this cover by adding a leather liner and putting a Collins King James text block in here. Well, I like the black with the green color scheme. One of my favorites that I've done. Really enjoying it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll leave a link if you want to try removing the stamping on a cover. I'll leave a link in the description for that tutorial. And if you want to try to change a Bible to a leather lined to improve its flexibility and longevity, I'll leave a link to that tutorial as well in the comments below. As always, thank you guys for watching, and be sure to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, give me a like on this video if you like the content. If you don't like it, give me a dislike. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.